guys, it's Vikki. I'm back again. Woo, woo, woo. And I am doing another recipe from the Final Fantasy 15 Cookbook. This week is Mystery Meat Sushi. Let me bring this a little closer. Woo. Mystery Meat Sushi is what I'll be making today. So I gotta cook the Spam, make the egg, wrap nori around some rice. So let's cook some Spam and go from there. So I think I'm gonna slowly work my way. I'm not gonna through the cookbook, but I'm not gonna do like the ridiculous ones like the fries, like come on. But this looks like fun. And I'm just gonna keep going. I don't know about these beanball croquettes, whatever, but I'm gonna try them. But for today, we're doing mystery meat sushi, which is basically just Spam. But, you know, here we go. Okay, guys, so I cooked the Spam, and now I'm going to make the eggs. So I figured I don't have like a cool Japanese omelet pan, so I don't know how many eggs it's going to take. And I thought about adding salt and stuff, but I'm like, there's so much salt in the Spam. Maybe I'll add some salt and stuff. So I figured 4 eggs. I don't know how many of these I'm making, but I'm just going to make 3. Like I have extra Spam or whatever. I grabbed a fork. Oh. This is the Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. I absolutely love this. For my seasoning, for like everything. I don't know if it would have been cool to like separate like the whites from the yolks and then like do that instead. Pan warm again. Okay, let's pour. Okay, so now we wait. I'm gonna let it fully firm up on the bottom and then give it a flip, and that's it. And then I'll figure I'll cut like slices to put on top of the mystery meat sushi, right? I figured that's how it should work. This is boring, I know. I would want to add mushrooms and tomatoes and spinach and everything like that when I'm making my own omelet, but that is not what this is for. Oh, you know what I should do? Where's my spatula? Like I would do it for omelet. You just keep moving. Let's turn this up a little bit. Okay. So you kind of wait for it to firm up a little bit. And then you go like that. Firmed up a little bit over here. Very smooth the egg a little bit, and you swish it over there. Do 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 do. All right. Swish that a little bit over here. You want to get as much of the runny yolk part like gone before we have to like flip it. Alright. A little bit faster. Yep. Okay, let's turn it down some. Let's see. See that runny part that's still there? Move that over. Squish, squish, squish. Move that over. Oh, I could put a lid on top. I didn't think about that. Squish, squish, squish. So the question is, will this be easy for me to flip? Or will it just break up into nonsense? What do you guys think? Pause the video and comment now. Can Vikki flip this? Or will it be torn up and she'll just make everything look pretty in the end? What do you think? Oh, this is going to take a couple more seconds. In the meantime, in between time, our sticky rice is back. Tear a half 2-inch vent. Whoop. And then how long do I put it on for? 90 seconds. Okay. Alright, now we're going to try and flip this. Let's make sure it's released from the edges. You know what? We're going to switch out our spatula. Get the nice big mammy-jammy silicone sucker. See, look, it's already tearing. It's already going bad. It's already going bad. That's alright. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright. Let this cook for a couple more seconds to make sure we get all the gooiness out. And we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so now it's time for the assembly. I have my egg. I have my spam. My rice. So apparently what you're supposed to do, and I have my nori, which I guess I should just cut some strips of it. Whoop. Take out the sheet. I figure if I just cut it just like that. Ooh, I'm about to tear. Let's cut like, ooh, okay. Cut 3 sheets. Let me make this one just a little bit thicker. I'm just gonna keep making stuff with this rice and nori because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing with it. There we go. Alright, that to the side. These 3 pieces, that there. Have some water to help. So they say, once I did everything, blah, 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 press, okay, so line the Spam can with plastic wrap. Good thing I have plastic wrap. Oh, I didn't even open this one yet. Okay. Not sure why I have plastic wrap. I don't really use plastic wrap. I use tin foil and parchment paper, but apparently I have plastic wrap, so hey. I was thinking in my head, I was like, how is the rice going to not stick to the inside of the can? And that's how, with the plastic wrap. Okay. If I can get it there. Okay. Back side here. Am I using entirely too much plastic wrap? Probably. So then they say, right? Shove this down in there, right? Do not compact rice before reaching the top. That's a lot of freaking rice. Oh, I guess because you... Well, we're going to do half the rice then. Because, yeah, that's what we're going to do. press the rice down with a spoon or your fingers. Oh, well, I reached the top, so. Okay. Remove the rice from the can by pulling on the plastic wrap. Did I press it down enough? Maybe I didn't press it down enough. Assemble the sushi as shown above. Okay. I don't think I pressed this down enough. We're going to put this back inside. Right? We're going to move fast because my battery's dying on my camera. Okay. Whoop. There we go. So, an egg. Spam. Wrap with nori. Uh-oh. Ooh. There. Alright, let's add some water to get some stuff to stick here. Can we get you to stick, bud? Can we get you to stick though? Oh, sorry. Plastic wrap was in the way. Ooh! Plastic wrap fell. Stick. Stick. You're sticking to the rice but not the spam, obviously. There! Okay, so let's do one more real quick before the battery dies on the camera. Let's grab the rest of this whole thing of rice because we're just going to take all of that. Sure. Okay, like that. Press down. Press down. Okay. There we go. Take another egg, fold it, put it on top. That's a bigger egg. The nori. There. Throw that to the side. That egg is way bigger. That's okay. And it's done. I'm gonna come over to the camera with you guys. We're gonna move you back. Yay, look, it's all done. Woohoo! Okay, let's take a quick bite. I'll make some sriracha mayo to go with this, but highly recommend. Check out that Final Fantasy 15 unofficial cookbook. Let me wrap it up. Like, subscribe, share. I will see you guys later. Yay!